The Ulta Beauty Vacation Essentials Kit is available now for $29 with 6 vacation must-have products worth $73 to keep you hydrated and protected from the sun. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include Dermalogical Active Moist Deluxe 0.24 ounces, Exuviance Exfoliating and Conditioning Foot Balm 0.35 ounce, Pharmacy Lip Smoothie Apple Full Size 0.34 ounce, Mixsoon Sundi Centella Aesthetica Essence 0.67 ounce, Origin's Ginseng SPF 30 Daily Moisturizer 0.50 ounce, Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 50 0.34 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.